This
Hello.
conference will now be recorded.
Yeah. Okay. So
Yes.
audit is completed for SUIM.
Yes. SUIM complete, sir. Last 4 and 5 uh, points are pending.
What the last 4 or 5?
Points and the numbers. The sheet
It's
in the
not
audit sheet.
we shared it.
Yes. Mm, yes. Sir, for this point,
That is there, no? You have to go for SC or you can checking that in the report only, no?
the just only report.
That is a transaction code only. So instead of you have to execute the transaction code, what is that meaning? The meaning only that the extraction of user granted to access SU01 and SU0, SU0. What is that meaning here? Who are having as SU01 access? How many users having SU01 access, SU02 access, SU03 access?
Acha, okay.
Do that. Go for SUIM.
Okay.
What is the idea? I'm expecting so.
SUIM.
What is it asking here?
It's asking here that extraction of user granted access SU01, SU02, and SU03.
Who are having
Access of this transaction code.
yes. Then how we can do that?
But sir, what about this
That is a
transaction?
transaction code only. Once you execute that, it's showing that others go for that. That is a transaction code only. No?
Acha, okay. No, I
You
can
can,
do that.
that is one is corrected. Executable transaction code for the users. He's asking users, not into a transaction. Go for users.
Acha, go for users.
User by Canvas selection created here. Expand that.
Okay.
If you want to know
And
this all the technical, just right click on technical. Just click on technical details on. Is showing all the transaction code reports everything. No? Right click on, just click on technical names on. Anyway, out of the screen.
Acha, right.
Right click on. It's not working.
No, it's not working.
Go for main menu. Just click on utility. Just click on technical names on. It's not there. Additional information.
Additional transaction.
Transaction code display on. Click on that. It show everything.
Okay.
No? That is the transaction codes.
Okay.
Where is transaction code that?
So this is the 1398.
Okay, control F for copy paste is instead of you searching this is there no, already. Is there a transaction code 85 is already there? No? It's showing the directly 185, 195. 195 or 85? Click on control display.
Okay. 68001398.
Already is there na 398. Already is there na 398. Close it. It's showing the last one. By authorization is there na by authorization value 398 is in a transaction authorization. By transaction authorization. Unsuccessfully log enable is there na.
Okay. This one. Okay.
What is that meaning?
Okay.
Enter the transaction code. I want a multiple transaction. SU01, SU02, multiple option, not only one. How to get the multiple transaction again? The arrow mark there only there.
So this one.
Option, go for search option.
Search option. Okay.
Hmm.
Search option.
No. The transaction code left side you have the one as search icon is there, na? Browse option.
Acha, browse option. Okay.
No, that is the multiple selection is there, na? Close it. Searching only there or any other details there?
No, only searching is there.
Okay. Then you can searching one by one. SU01 and just check it there. This is the okay. Selected the SU01. 1 second, good. 1 second, Jerry.
Yeah, sure.
So I get execution. Just click on execution.
Taking time.
Just get that out. This is the one.
It's taking time actually. Go for another one.
For the next one.
The next one is this one. Evidence of periodic user access review. Evidence of periodic access review performed on SAP. Authorization view. Inactive accounts and monthly failed login attempts.
Yes. The next one. So execute a periodic user access. That is not for US. No, US user. This is GRC department.
Acha, okay. This is not for me, right?
No. Security. This is GRC department, not for you.
Acha, okay. The 44 list of interface between the application of scope applications in scope.
What?
The 44 point, the list of interface between the application and scope.
Personally access to modify the setting. We don't want that. That is the interface name.
Acha, okay.
DB gas is the transition code that's not also required. Kindly create one documentation for the selected user, sample user for user creation. It's asking the folder and create one sample document inside of the folder.
How can I do that? The 46 point, how can I do that?
That I think folder creation. You don't do that in any other.
Folder creation in where?
The menu is not making any detail. No? Just leave it there. But that's what we don't want.
Achha, okay. The 47 number. Please provide the system generated list of the following database table for the OEBS application.
Yeah, OSDB application. Please follow the following database table.
Please follow the instruction in the important notice tab.
These are the tables only, no? Showing it, please follow index important notes in the tab. DBA table, DB underscore user, DB underscore rule. These are the database level, not for.
Acha, for the database level. Acha, for the application level, I didn't check.
Yeah, in application level, you can do normal.
Okay. And the 48 number, privileged user to be justified. Privileged user to be justified.
It's not for again as a account department, not for just leave it.
Acha, okay. Change request for the change performed. Cut over underscore MM01 account.
Sorry?
The change request for the change performed cut over underscore MM01 account.
No, that is not it. The cutover is not required. You don't want any cutover or anything else.
Okay. And the next one is please provide the scripts output of SAP
You don't
OS.
know. That's limited. That's leave it. Yeah.
Acha, okay. And the last one is the evidence of cutover account request and approval. Acha, it's
Hmm.
not for me.
Hmm.
Okay. And the rest of the thing I all have done.
You don't want it. Just leave it.
Yes. Okay. And rest of the I all done.
Yeah.
As a, only for just last question is for the SU01 where I found that to
Huh?
the report name. The question is there that SU01, SU02 and SU03 how many person have the same access, right?
I'm not getting. Come again.
A question that there is a, this question. Yes, this question, the 41 number, the extraction of user generated access of SU01,
Yeah.
SU02 and
Hmm.
SU03.
Hmm.
So in the application level, is there any way to find the three transaction code at a time? That means that there
Checking
is
is
a
not
multiple
available. I
source.
think that have multiple options. They can find it at a.
Achha, okay, but it will be the different that some person have the SU01 and some person have don't. The same person don't have the access of the SU02 also.
Then just that's when I go for more option back and just check it where the option is there. The execution also have the multiple option also is available maybe.
Get variant. All selection. It can yes. Here I can
No,
do
no,
that.
this is the one. No, user by complex can enter the transaction. The yellow mark you're not clicking actually. The yellow mark is there. Now click on the yellow mark. Why you click on such button there? No, no, yellow mark.
No, here actually there is an. If I go there,
Click on that and just click on that here.
there is a no
So the
yellow
yellow
mark here.
no, it's not browsing. How a yellow mark will be there. Multiple options is there. Go for main menu. Go to option.
Go to.
Oh no, selection screen will okay. It's not. Go for edit once. Edit. Where the multiple
Edit.
option here. Hmm. Select option. Go for select option.
Select option.
Oh, it's not there.
I am checking the another system.
Hmm.
Users. Okay. If I go for the technical name, yes,
Hmm.
1398. Okay. Here
Here
also
also
not.
is not.
Yes.
Go for more option. Go for edit once. You go for edit or go for geo selection.
Edit
Go
selection.
for all selection. Go for all selection. All selection. All selection.
All
Hmm.
selection.
Now it's coming to here. Now it's getting all. Now go for yellow mark. The transition board now is getting the arrow mark. Click on the arrow mark. Now we can execute the transition. Now the arrow mark in the transition. No, no. In the transition you're getting the menu. Select any other field.
Transition.
Select it. No, no. It's there. Select any other field.
This
Select
for
any
this one.
other field. Select the mouse pointer on user. Select the user. Just most. Just go for user. Just press the. Just click on that. Click on that. Now it's showing the transaction code with multiple options. No, it's not getting.
Okay, so this one. It's a multiple selection. Actually, for user, it is showing the multiple selection. Hello.
Not happy. The multiple options. There's all there. No. Go for old version. Previous version is showing at least multiple option. Go for old version.
Okay. Just a minute. This one. Yes. Edit for all selection.
No. Previously, when you select the all selection. Select the all selection.
Okay. Okay.
Click on mouse pointer some other way. Selected. No. Everyone having that brother. The yellow mark. The yellow mark is not even multiple selection.
Yes, but for the transaction level, there is no info mark here.
It is not there. That's great. Now you can just put the comma ways. Put the comma SU01, comma SU02, comma SU03. Put the comma. Comma. Click on execution. No, it's not there. That's why it's okay.
So if I go for the transaction wise, the executable by transaction, if I go
the username, you have to specify the username. No, which user having that is very difficult.
Okay. Actually, I didn't find the
only executable transaction. Just click on check the checkbox. Check the checkbox below. Check. Only executable transaction. Now you can just enter. Only executable means you can able to execute. Only same again. Okay, only 1 or 2 is not okay. No, this is wrong again. You're doing that.
Just only showing for the one transaction. So I have to take the for the SU01, SU02, and SU03, and I have to compare all the three sheet. Then I can find the. Sir, if I do this, this is the report name. So if I go for the AC38 and just give this report name, and after that,
this is a transaction code, not report. That is a transaction code.
Okay.
Go for copy the transaction code, paste it in above also. It's working. It's not a report.
Actually, copy is not working in the RDC connection.
Why it is not copy is working?
I don't know. If I go, no, copy is not getting. I think there is a some what I'm saying is some problem is there for the security reason.
Okay. Then you have to copy the transaction code level itself, no?
Only the transaction code.
That is a transaction, that is not a report.
Acha, okay. So I also write the transaction code over here.
Hmm. Hmm.
6877.
Copy paste into notepad and you can copy again. One more is working.
And so copy is not allowed in the RDC.
Control
1998.
no?
Okay.
Slash and you can use before that. I'm not just getting no? Okay. It's getting that is a transaction code.
Okay. So if this transaction code is go for the direct SUIM, that checks that option. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So I have completed all the field.
Okay, fine. Okay, now I can go for as a mass user creation. Already you know SU0 and SU10. Okay, now you can go for the scripting concept. How to creating a multiple user by the scripting. So before you want to perform the scripting, first of all you can check in which client you are performing, that guy having the option to allowing or not. So how we can do the client setting? Go for SCC4.
SU 34.
SCC4.
Acha, SCC4. Okay.
Okay, double click on 800. Which client you perform the scripting? Double click on 800. See here you can check it. What happened below by what option is there? It is allowed.
Changes.
Performing as a scroll down. Scroll down below. Below is there scripting and cat is allowed. Is there the option is if it is not allowed me, you cannot perform the scripting here. It should be compulsory.
Okay. The CATT means the scripting. CATT means scripting.
What? That is the computer editing. The full form is computer edit testing tool. Okay, the transaction cost also starting yes only. Yes, SECATT. Computer editing testing tool.
So it's allowed to do the scripting. Okay. So now?
Yeah, it's allowing means you can perform the scripting here.
How can I do that?
Go back. Go further again. SECATT. SECATT.
Is
E.
cat.
Yes, is there. SECAT. Extended Computer Editing Testing Tool, TT.
Acha, TT.
Okay, now this is the one. See, what the purpose of this scripting you can using as multiple method, not only others. Okay. Okay, now as a security consultant, I'm using this is for only for user creation. Okay.
User creation and role creation also.
Yeah, role creation also you can, but roles are only ID is getting only ID because inside of role you have so many things is there.
Achha.
What
Yes, yes,
what
yes.
role name you want to creating? Users are very difficult. Yeah.
No, I have done in my project. That
What?
is, I have done it in my project.
You've done this, you know this already.
Yes, I went there. I went this option.
Why
There
that?
is click.
Where is scripting? Do that. Whatever you don't just do. How you can do the scripting here?
Actually, I didn't find the
Hmm.
option here. Actually, the script that is disabled right now here.
Hmm. That is
So
means
in
already
my project,
you're running that. You don't have anything creation, no?
okay, okay. So I have to disable it.
Yeah, you have to disable that. Okay.
I have to sorry. I have to enable it.
The scripting and okay. No,
Actually,
that is how you can enable that. Already is developable, then you can do that.
okay. So
Mm.
how can I enable it?
No, it is not there. First of all, you want to create the recording. After you have to fetching the recording. I'm asking
Acha,
how you
okay.
can do that.
In my project, they gave me to make the 100 rows. Okay.
Then you have to go
So
for
it's
the
actually
existing
this is
scripting recording is selected. That is okay.
yes,
Okay.
yes,
But how the
yes.
scripting is created now? That is my question.
Oh, okay. I don't know that.
Then how you can
That is
do that?
for
How?
one role.
Not one role.
For
Like the
one role.
thing is one time activity. After that, you have to run the scripting same time, multiple purpose. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
How we can just get a name here? I think the scripting name is starting with Jedar Y letter. So in your company also, otherwise not taking. Okay. Give the Jed
Okay.
underscore Joydeep mass user creation. Don't putting that much length. You're going to use just short and sweet.
Okay. Now
Mm.
paste script.
Click on create. Create.
Create.
This is scripting name. Maybe those who are working on those are providing the scripting name to you. Then only you're running that existing scripting.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, because the first time scripting is performed by the security team only. Once the scripting is created, you can using the scripting multiple times. So left side is there, you have to select the left side some scripting, then only you have to go for screen and recording. Okay, see here, the three tabs, where the three tabs is there, your favorite script. Okay, object category, log history will be there. Go for favorites list, maybe the option will be enabled. Go for favorites list.
Actually, it's running. It's not working. So,
Okay, wait, done. Taking the ECC system instead of you running this, go for ECC system, which is service stream.
no, this is the ECC system.
Okay.
Yes.
Hmm.
Now
Give
I
the
click.
title mass user creation. Select the application component. Select the BC basis component. Expand that. Expand
BC.
BC. So under go for BC underscore security. Which module these are doing from the scripting. Now I want to perform the scripting security purpose user administration. The last one only there.
Okay.
First time only had difficulty. The second time on getting is all this song.
Okay. So
Go
I just
for
want to
yeah, we go for bigger basic user administration. Do user administration purpose. Select the application user admin. I want to create a user creation. Suppose you do the role, you can select the role. Okay, now I can doing with the user admin. Select the user admin. No, select the user admin. Below one. First one out of this one.
Acha, this one. Okay.
Click on choose.
Choose. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, now just click on save it. Save it.
I press the Control S.
Click on local object.
Okay. Local object. Okay.
In this computer Excel sheet is there, na?
Which one?
This computer, what is the remote desktop? The Excel sheet is there, na?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
there was pattern.
What, sir?
Pattern. Petty pattern. Pattern.
Acha,
Click on
pattern.
inside the pattern. Which transaction what you want to record it. Okay. Select the group. Under group, you can just selecting as a GCP recording. GCP recording. What happened is not available. Go for petty pattern. Close this.
Okay.
Next, you go for UI controller. Petty pattern. Go for petty pattern.
Okay.
No, it's not there. Okay, go for pattern only. Go for pattern. Select the UI controller. UI controller. So under GCP recording, scroll on transaction code recording. TCD recording, the last one.
TCD recording.
Transaction code recording. Okay, now enter the transaction code. Which transaction you want recording? SU01.
SU01. Okay.
SU01. Click on OK. Actually, interface name also getting. Yeah, interface name is automatically is getting.
Achha.
Okay, now click on OK. Okay, now do one sample user creation. So if you do anything mistake, this is the recording is going on right now. Don't do any mistake. So when you do user creation, what is the mandatory field? User ID, last name, initial password, repeated password. See below is saying record is going on. The last name, give the last name, Joydev. Log on data. What are the field you want to follow the scripting? User password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Save it. That's it. Yeah. So these are the 4 fields I'm recording. Now see the user was created. Then go back. Okay, click on again. What happened? What is the recording you done? I want to everything transferring the data here. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, now we want to do the scripting methodology. Like you have to edit the field. Double click on the SU01. Double click on it.
Yeah.
The interface name. No, interface name. SU01_1 is there. Double click on that. Yeah, it's okay. Save it. Double click on that. Now enter the Dynan Pro is there. Na? Select the Dynan Pro. Now I want to customizing the field. Expand that. You're getting a 5 field. Expand the first one. Why is getting only 2? I think here. Okay, scroll left side. No, okay, only getting 2. Expand the field and expand the field. Expand the field. Under you can selecting the username. No. Scroll left side again. You have to select the first one. Under you have third one. B name is there, no? That is the username. Expand that.
Acha.
Okay, scroll left side. Scroll left side. Left side. Double click on the your username. What is username you created here? Basis. That is your first name. Double click on that. Right side is getting input value and output value. Double click on the value. Double click on the basis. No, basis is the basis. Double click on the basis. So remove that name. Just putting other technical name. Remove that everything. Jet first name. The field name. I'm giving it Jet first name. First name. Capital means capital. Small means small. Basic case sensitive. Okay. No. Either name is just either capital letter or the small letter. Only one. Not you do all of. No. Just first name. I say is a capital letter or a small letter. Give the Jet first name. That name is the first name. Jet capital letter can give it better. Jet.
That's a capital Z underscore name.
Jet first name. That is the field name. Jet underscore first name.
That's a first name. Okay.
First name. Type the first name. Capital meaning everything capital. Why small letter again capital? Everything first or second small letter capital anything. Yeah. Now click on above in this field only you have the back option is there. Just click on small back option here. In this one S underscore you have black color back option is there. Click on the black color back option. No. In the middle one only you have the back option. Middle one.
Yeah. This one.
That is importing. Yes, click on that. Now you have to select the radio button, import into local only. Import. Yes. Okay. Now it is added. Where this field is added, above is there, no? Jet underscore first name is that is added. Okay. Similarly, above the parameter name, description, parameter value above is there, no? There is added. Okay. Now go back. Below one. Again, close this. No. There only. No. Don't go for back. Here only. Here only close the field. No. Don't go back. I'm saying. Here only.
Okay.
Yeah. No. Close the field. What are the field you open? Just close everything.
This one close.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, again, double click on SU0. I say, what are the things you're open? Just close that. Again, double click on SU01 underscore. Yeah. Go for again. Dan Pro.
Okay.
Dan Pro. Dynamic programming. The first one is the explain the first one. The changes is done. That's why showing there. Open the second one. Open the second. Close the first one. Open the second field. Second field.
Here.
Expand that. Go for there. There is no field. It's not recording done properly. Only the user ID is taking. Go for scroll the first one only. Expand the first one only. First one. So under you have to go for selecting first one. Huh? Go for fourth one. Where the fourth one is there?
This fourth, right?
Okay. Actually, this is not done properly. Scroll left side again. No. You do some recording is not getting properly. The data is not transferred. Actually, getting the 5 field, but you're getting only last name, first name only getting. Go back again, do one more time. Go back everything. This is cancelled. Everything. Yes. Recording is not done properly. Again, create again SECATT.
Yes. What happened?
What happened?
Everything closed. Okay.
Enter the name. The underscore JD begin basis mass. Okay, give that. Okay, click on create.
Okay, create. Okay. It's taking the responsibility. Go for the pattern, right?
First of all, title, first title, you had application component, everything. First enter the title, mass user creation. Application component. There was no application component, the mandatory field. What is the mandatory field is there here? No, application component is there, na? Select that component. What the component is the SAP underscore. SAP automatically, previous you selecting automatically getting capital letter. Yes means type the SAP is then BC. Yeah, select the below one. BC, no, BC is the BC. That is the one. Only one time you have save it now. First of all, save it. Click on local object. Okay, now go for the pattern. Select the UI controller. And you can select the SAP transaction code recording, TCD recording. The last
TCD recording.
Select the transaction code. What is the transaction code you have to give? SU01.
SU01. Yeah.
Enter first of all. Enter first of all. Enter. Okay now. Okay.
Achha, this is recording. Sir, where I found the recording is going?
Yeah, now his recording is going on. That's why now what
how
are the
can I find?
No, this is when you open, you're selecting previous one, you select the recording. Now, what are the recording you doing? Everything you only do now. Create the user basis one. Take the basis one. Don't take existing one. Create. Below when you create, you below see that what option is there? Recording is going. When you're saving us, is getting last name. Jaydeep one because he's want to see the difference now. Okay. No problem, no problem. It's okay.
Jaydeep one.
We do back also as a recording. Now enter the password.
Save. Okay, it's created.
Okay, now go back. Now he's asking, you want to transfer the data? Yes, I want to transfer the data. Yes. Now double click on the SU01 underscore 1. Double click on the interface. Expand the dine-in flow. Again, is getting only 2. 2 is not sufficient to create the user. You have to get the username, password, everything is there. Expand the dine-in for first one. You're getting total 5. Expand the field. Expand the field. Is getting the create option. You do only 4 recording is there. Let's go for go for next one. Expand the third one. No. Scroll left side. Scroll left side. Left side. Scroll left side. Not this is the last name. Okay, log on data. Username is only there. Okay, expand second one also. No, that is a creation. It's not anything. As a second field. Close everything. Expand the second field. This is also only the field name is also not available. Okay, so log on to any other system, S/4 HANA system, the scripting is not done properly.
First I have to check.
First of all, what did I want to cross check? Which client you log in? 800 folder? Not allowed. Okay, first of all, what should you click on change button? Change button, make it 11. Edit only, edit on. Double click on it. Scroll down. Make it allowed. Save it.
And save.
Okay. Go back. I can go for transaction to SECATT.
Yes.
Enter the name. Click on create.
Create object.
Yes, create. It's not object, I think. Create. The title. Application component. Option BC. Can browse options better. BC, expand the BC. BC business basis component, expand that. BC sec.
SAP Security.
Under sec. User ADM. So BC, go for the
User administration.
Yeah, expand that and select the user administration.
And user ADM.
Yes. Okay, now click on save. Local object. Okay, then click on pattern. So select that here, parameter, UI controller.
Every time I have to choose the UI controller.
Yeah, you have to do UI based only, no? You cannot do any program based or anything, no? You can take the user interface. You can editing to user interface only. These are the user interface. If you have anything coding, you can go for.
For the TCT record.
31 transaction code record. SU01. Click on continue. Now create one user ID here. Enter the last name. Log on data.
Is created. Go for back.
Yeah, go back. Now you want to apply the data. Yes. The record is entered. Do you want to apply the data? Yes, I want to apply the data. Okay, now double click on that SUG. Expand the dynamic flow. You have the 5 field is there. Now is correct. See, now it's how many is there here? Totally 5 is there. The recording is.
If the 5 field is there, so it's correct.
No. Yeah, it's 5 is there. Is correct. Why? Because the first name is a one field. Second name is like a user name. Last name is one field. The initial password and repeated password one field. So 5 is there. Is but at least 4 is there. Is correct. Okay. 1, 2 is nothing. But the recording is wrong. Okay. Expand the first one. To edit. Go expand the field name. So scroll. Yeah, you can drag and drop. You have to just username. Yeah, correct. That's one. B name. Yeah, B name. What is the basis name here? Basis. Double click on it. So Raisha is showing value in and value out. What is the value in you are doing? What is the value out? Right side. Double click on the basis. Basis 70. Remove that. Give the capital letter Z underscore first name. The back option is there, no? Back option. Back. Okay, click on import. Select the readable import. Yes. So like I want to clear the user, you want a 5 field is there. Now what are the field you're expanding? Just close that field. That's enough. Don't need to do anything. Because you have to go for each and every field. I want to extend the previous you close everything. Minimize that. Yeah. Minimize that. Minimize the first field is done. No. First minimize the first field. The left side is not required. You say the left side is not required. Expand the second field now. First of all, you can close it. So you get the symbolic is then the symbol is nothing but you change is done. Expand the second one.
Okay.
So here second field you're getting the last name.
Okay. So for the field.
Field again. Go for last name. Where is the last name is there? The password also recorded. What is the password? Last name. What the last name is there here? Jaydeep is there, no? Person last Jaydeep. Double click on the field.
Z underscore last name.
Z underscore last name. Just click on back option. Click on yes. Again, initial password, repeats password. Close this.
Yes.
Now you see your companies are working and they're running. You want to do this all the first time. Then nobody is getting on. This much editing is there. Again, third one. Third one is getting the initial password. Even if you want to do user type, by default user type. Only first time is editing is difficult. Second time once is very easy to any know that. Okay, expand the field like know the password, initial password, repeated password. Where is that? No, is there below one, new password. Scroll down. Yeah, is there password, initial password, new password? Scroll left side. No, down and left side. The password 1 and password 2 is there. Yeah, password is the first password. Initial password. Double click on that. That is the password 1. Initial password. Double click on that. That is your password. Double click on again. Z underscore password 1.
Password 1.
Again back. Yes. Again password 2. Double click on below one. Where is the password 2? Below. Down. Password 2 is there. The field name is password 2. Yeah, scroll left. This is the password. Double click. The value you have to double click on it, not that double value again. Double click on the value. Password 2. So these are the field you require to do the. Now if you want any other field, I can do same configuration. Okay. Now I want to require only this 4 is fine. Okay, during the user creation. Save it now. Save it. The edit is done. Save it below. Save Control S. Now go back. The scripting is ready. Okay, just go back. Now do the select the radio button text configuration. Text configuration. First radio button. I want to test it.
Text configuration.
Select the again. Give that name. Z underscore Jaydeep testing. This is a scripting name. Testing. No, give that Z underscore Jaydeep test. Click on create again.
Test. Create object. Okay.
Create an object. Again,
Mass user. Okay.
component name BC hyphen user sec hyphen user hyphen admin.
And save.
Yeah, save it. Now go for configuration tab.
Local
Save
update
it.
for here.
By default already there. Save it. Local update already there. Go for configuration tab. Configuration tab. Yeah. Now enter the scripting. Which is scripting you want to test it? Browse option. Z underscore Jaideep star. I don't know if you get scripting. No? Click on OK. Browse option again. No, browse. Browser. Click on OK. Let's click on OK. What the name you given is correct only, na? That name.
Yes.
That's file name. Star, Z underscore star, or J star. What is the test script name you given? Okay, is there? Okay, Z underscore. Yeah.
Yes.
Is getting no problem. Yeah, is getting the description is getting means is getting. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Save.
Now go for main menu. Go more option. Directly download the variant option. Is the download the variant. Just click on download the variant. No, is there? No, directly is the option.
Downloaded.
Variant. Click on hello. Excel sheet desktop. Give the name. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Hello. Okay. Now is go for desktop, and now I want us to editing. Go for desktop. Right click. XML. Why is getting XML? Like, open in the format of Excel sheet. Excel sheet. Go for more. Other program. Other no plus symbol is there. No plus symbol. Scroll down. It is not. Go for more browse option. Browse option. You have Excel sheet is there. MS Office. Go for MS Office.
Just a minute. Sir, just a minute. If I go in download.
Then download the variant. Again, same naming is there. Okay, save it. Is okay, saving XML, no? Okay, save as a text format. Then save as a text. All files are text format. Go for. Or go for all. No, all file.
All file. Okay.
Save it. Yes. Hello. Okay, it's done. Now go for there and desktop. Okay. Now copy these files into Excel sheet. Open the Excel sheet. Copy these all the field into Excel sheet. Paste the value. Paste it. So you can check in everything is a different same field. First name, check the first name is available in the same field or different field. I think go for the field name, first name.
First
everything.
Name.
No, first name.
Yes, same.
Field name, I'm saying, not go for field. Z underscore first name, go for there. Okay, these are different. Okay, everything different field only. Okay, why? Because of all our assembly is clumsy, so you should be on everything is different field only. Now you have to drag how many users you want. Basis 18, basis 19, basis 2. Just drag and drop. Name number of users. So like 20. No, don't go for not what 32. Okay, 10 users more than okay. Last name same. Every from last name is common. With the last name Jaydeep. Password. So you have to give the initial password. You just drag and drop. If you want to change the password, automatically change it. No problem. Okay. Drag and drop. Like you have number of users. If you want 100, you can go for 100. Now here each is a default is it can give you number of users. How many users you want to give? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the first column. Enter the 0, 1, 2, 3. How many columns you want to do?
Here.
Zero is there. No. Below one. Below field. Below row. No. SCC field first column under the select in a zero. Either 0, 1, 2, 3. No. Not that. This is fourth row. Fourth row column. Fourth row. Press the 0. The sequence number. How many I'm created? Is 0.
I didn't understand.
Fourth row, you have to fill the 0. Just push the 0, enter the 0 there.
Acha, 0.
First column.
Acha, okay, here.
0. Yes. 0. Drag 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Acha, okay.
Like number of sequence, I'm saying. Everything 0. You have to put the control 1, 2, 3. Give that 1, 2, 3, 4. No. Okay, that was good. 13 users are 14 users are created. Then click on save.
Yes.
As in the format, Excel sheet is not uploaded directly in the SAP. Click on save.
Okay.
Save as a desktop in the text format.
Acha, okay.
No, wait. Go for SAP. SAP because it's taken by default SAP. Here, the folder is SAP.
Okay.
SAP GUI. This is not by default directly. Now you have to give the name mass user creation. Give the file name mass user. Don't give the space in between the folder file name. The continuation.
Mass user. Okay.
Yeah. The extension is say the notepad MS-DOS.
MS-DOS. The CSV
No, not that.
MS-DOS.
Not CSV. Is a MS. Is a text. The text MS-DOS. Text form.
Text.
Below one. Text MS-DOS. No. Below one. CS variable text bracket MS-DOS is there. No. Below one. This is the notepad format. Save it.
Achha.
Save it as.
Yes.
Close this. No. Don't save again. If you want to save again, it's asking again one more time problem. Don't save it. Already save it. No? Close it. Just yeah, I can cross it. Close this. No problem. Go for C drive. Say C drive documents. The file is available. Document SAP documents. No. Library. Go for library here. SAP GUI.
Yes.
Open that. Is getting enough. I think the text format is not there. Okay, fine. This many. Now I want to upload this into the SAP. Close this. Go for SAP now. Okay, go for variant here. Next tab. And here only configuration here next tab is the variant tab. Just select the external file.
External path.
It's asking path. Browse the path. That is the path. That's why putting the history means this is the one. No. Why is already again? By default is taking that path only. Your place already cancel this browser option. By see the what the path is taking.
Achha, okay.
File. Right. Now click on execution. Wait, and where is this execution? Yeah, click on execute the text configuration is there. No need to save this text configuration. Test it at say click on yes. Go for again. Go for error behavior. Go for error behavior. No, error behavior. No. Below one, the drop down. Select. Yes. No termination without skipping next command. Select the last one. Yes.
This one.
Next one, debugging mode.
Debugging mode.
I.
I.
Click on save again. Actually, execution is the why not close it. Say no need to save it. Just click on close it, cancel it, execute. Click on execute again. The first icon. First icon is the first one. Now executing that report. So everything is created successfully. You get the logs. After that, you can have the all users will be created successfully.
Okay.
Now click on yellow.
Completed.
Yeah, everything is complete. Scroll down. Expanded. Now everything is done successfully. Check it now. Go for SU01. Check it. All users are created or not. Is there. Just basis star. Good job. Basis star.
Okay, so created.
Okay. This is the first time.
So this is the first time.
Huh? No, not one.
This is the first time activity.
The testing is the multiple times you can do. Suppose I want to go for same for one more also. Okay, then what I'll do here? Go for Excel sheet again. The notepad is there, no? Go for the notepad. Again, I want to create a different user. Copy this again.
Okay.
Into Excel sheet.
New Excel sheet.
Excel sheet. Paste it. Again, cross-checking different are same.
Yeah, all is.
Create different user right now. Give the JDeep one. Not use the same user. No. The first name. That is the last name. First name. Give that user ID. What are the users you want to create it? Not that. Though, why are you changing standard one? That is the default.
This is the standard one.
Give the user.
Okay.
One. Give the different naming. Oh, SAP one.
Okay.
Just give the one or two something because you do the admin. If you otherwise can enter manually.
Yes.
Just drag and drop. Just take the 5 or 10 users. Because last name is common for everyone, no problem. Take the JD. Copy paste. Drag because that is not changing. It has to be common for everyone. Password. Again the password. The again default. Save it. It's a notepad.
SAP GUI. Okay. Taste MS plus. Okay.
Give the different name. You say same name. The name is not changing.
No, I put the
That's why some other features your workbook is saved. Do you want to save it? Yes.
Okay.
I think check it. Go for the C drive and check it. Document. SAP GUI. Okay. Open that. Open that. First of all, check it inside of.
Yes. All coming.
No, I want to upload this same test configuration. I want to upload it.
Okay.
Close it. Go for SAP. SECATT. Click on new test configuration. No. Click on execution or create new object. Just click create new object. No, already is there. Now click on change it. Change the object. Just click on change the object.
Change object.
Go for variant. The scripting is go for variant. Change the directory. Now save it. Go for text config. Click on text above. Text con. No. Above is there. Na text. Execute the text configuration. Main menu. Main menu. Execute the text configuration.
Execute the text configuration.
Okay. Now go for change the breakpoint. Yes. And last one is the debug mode is I. Click on execute. Not save. Execute. Okay. First icon.
Yes, I have done. Just allow.
Means you open the Excel sheet again. Close the Excel sheet once because of that Excel sheet said that is also error only. It's not created. You just check it. The Excel sheet is not open. Don't click it. Check it now. Check it. Go further and check it. It's cleared successfully or not. Go for SU01.
Yes, it's cleared.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So this is the way of to create the one-time scripting multiple times.
Sir, I'm showing you for my document, my project. I have done this. Yes, I have done that. This one. These two.
These are the role names. No role name can create no problem.
No,
again,
under this role name we also created. We also give the transaction code also.
Yeah, PFCC also you have recorded and created.
Yes, just for the one option I have just recorded, and the rest of the roles is automatically created. The using
in the Excel sheet, what are the data you maintain, everything is created.
Acha, okay.
But inside of we don't have any, only the IDs are created. Inside of we don't have transaction code or data.
No, transaction code I have created. I have created. I'll show you the documents. I actually didn't find that.
That you do a lot of customization, the scripting itself.
Actually, they give me.
Everyone has same rule. So everyone has same transaction code.
No. This is the SOD free. Actually, we are making the SOD free roles. That some transaction code have the same risk and different. We have to remove the risk at first. So I have done it. They give me one Word file. There is a yellow mark some code. I just edit. They show me how to do the scripting. They just edit the code, and first they just execute the first role, and after that all the roles are created automatically. That's why that's why I am coming to you in this point that there is a one option for the this option. I go through that.
Then click on plus symbol. Playback recording is going. The screen recording is going on.
Yes, if I play just for the one role, I have just make play one and created one role and give the transaction code, and they give the Excel sheet. There is all roles and transaction code is there.
What is scripting is running behind that?
Yes, the 10 to 20 rows. Sorry, sir.
Click on do this. They do this procedure. Click on do this procedure once. What is it done? You done?
Just there is a one file is there. Just
Yeah,
open it.
just upload the scripting. The scripting, how the scripting is created? Na? That is a question.
Okay. No, actually, I told you that one. They give you one Word file. They give you one Word
Yeah,
file
that is
and
one. How the Word file will be created. Even now you get the text format. Now how the text file is created. How I know which file and which how I those guys are know that. Okay, these are the coding base. Maybe that is due to coding base. VB scripting.
Acha.
When you click on, just click on that more option. Click on plus symbol.
Okay.
No, the document is okay. Click on plus symbol, play symbol.
Plus.
Recording. Recording.
Recording this one, no?
Yeah. Yes. Now he's asking the stream file name. What the file name? What the file path is taken? See VB script. VB script.
Acha, VB
So,
script.
so that is at the coding level. JScript, VB script. So that's all at the JScript level.
Okay. They have done. The file name is script. I remember that file name is the extension is the script. So they just upload it and go first one recording, and after that the 10 and 20 rows are created automatically.
Yes.
Okay, so that was the VB script.
That one is, but we do automation for everything, no? So that's why we do all those configurations.
Okay.
But this is a procedure. So you have one more method is the LSMW. That is the normal client data. That is also you can do scripting only. Okay, that will continue for tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
One more, please.